Welcome back to The Way We Farm. Today we are in a sweet corn field in western New York. So this corn is substantially better than some corn I filmed last year. You don't see this a lot in sweet corn, but this plant has 2 ears. That's a decent ear. That's a real nice ear. So the corn this year is doing better. We weren't near as dry. We've been dry, but not near as dry as last year. So they're picking 2 6-row machines, taking it to a canning factory, a freezing factory, about 17 miles away. So this is really nice looking corn. Sorry, it's hard to peel an ear back with one hand. I should have done that ahead of time. So that right there is a beautiful ear of sweet corn. So this is gonna go get frozen within a few hours. This will be in a freezer tunnel. It'll be frozen, sent in bulk to a storage facility. They'll repackage it sometime later in the year. So let's go out and check out the action in the field. This is nice tall sweet corn. So what these guys typically do is they fill the cart they pull behind the picker. When the cart's full, the chaser cart comes up, they dump into that, and then the big cart is bigger, so then they side load into the bigger cart until they get the cart full. They have scales in the tractors to tell them how much is in the cart. Then they take the cart to the truck, dump in the truck. The trucks they use have belts in the bottom, so they don't have to dump sticky sweet corn. So they pick the corn, husk and all, take it to the freezer factory. There it gets husked, it gets cut off, and then they wash it, they freeze it. So here comes the cart. They almost got the second cart full. I'll get out of the way, I don't want to get run over. Sorry about the wind. Always windy in western New York. But hey, it's not muddy, it's not raining, and we've had decent moisture to grow a really nice sweet corn crop. That is nice looking sweet corn. She's full, going to dump in the truck. So as you can see, Western New York is diverse in the crops we grow. There's sweet corn. I know it's grown on less than 10,000 acres anymore, but it used to be a bigger crop. We grow dry beans. There's people that grow table beets, green beans, peas, cucumber, squash, cabbage, lots of crops, potatoes. So we're mostly grain, but our friends grow sweet corn, our neighbors grow sweet corn. So I just wanted to show you a little sweet corn footage. We have a lot of dairy in the area. So I don't know, probably at least a third of the ground in the area is dairy. So just one more way that Western New York is diverse. Hope you liked the video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and as always, great day to feed the world, and we'll see you next time on The Way We Farm. Thanks for watching.